Hello friends, welcome to the fourth PHP tutorial in which I am going to talk about the static keyword or static variables. Previously we have talked about the variables in which we have discussed the global variables and local variables, and we have also seen how to assign the variables or declare a variable, and also how to show them as an output in a screen in a RAM server in a web browser. And now we are going to talk about the static keyword. For that we are going to create a new file. We are going to select the language as PHP. Now again we are going to write as PHP. This is the syntax of how to start a PHP program, and then this is how to end a PHP program. Now we are going to create some function. We are using a single function only. Function space sta. And here we are going to create a static variable as static static dollar of a equals to 0, dollar of a plus plus, and then echo dollar of a. Well, whenever this function is going to be called, then it is going to increment the value of a, and then the value of a will be displayed through the echo. And how to call that function? This is click here, and then if I call that function sta, we are going to call it multiple times. sta. We have called this function thrice, but the thing which I am going to show you is a little different. While calling this function sta 3 times, you might think that the output will be always 1, 1 and 1, because every time we are calling the function, it is every time going to initialize the value of a as 0 and then increment the value. This is how we are going to increment, and this is somehow equivalent to a equals to a plus 1, and this is going to print the value. So but static variable, what it does, that dollar of a is initialized in the first function only, and in the next function it doesn't initialize dollar of a as 0. It checks the previous value of dollar of a and increments that value in its previous value, and then display the value of dollar of a. Let me show you the output first, and before that we are going to save it as static php, and then we are going to open our Chrome, localhost /tutorial/ static .php 1, 2 and 3. Just to make it even more easier for you, I'm going to separate it with the next line break. Break line. So 1, 2 and 3. But what will happen if we are not going to use static keyword? Now you will understand the importance of static keyword. See, 1, 1 and 1, because every time we are going to call this function, this whole function, the value of a is always going to initialize. But as we are going to add a static in front of a variable, in the whole program it will execute only a single time. But for the next time when this is going to be called for the second time, it will not going to initialize dollar of a as 0. It will check its previous value dollar of a, and that it was 1 when it was called here, and then it will become 2 here, and then 3 here. We have already seen the output, and we are going to see that output. Sorry, what happened? We have add static dollar of a equal. We have not saved this. See, if you are not going to save your program, then here it will be in red color, but as your control s is a short keyword, so that you can save the program. As we are going to save the program, it will change its color and it will be blue. Now we will see 1, 2 and 3. See, so this is the magic of keyword. It preserves the previous value and never initializes its original value again. So that is the use of static variable. And one more thing I would like to discuss with you all is a print keyword. Print. It is similar to the echo, but if you will feel like to use it, then use it. Hello echo by let's say print br. Print and echo does exactly the same thing, but see hello and bye, but the difference is that print returns 1 whereas echo returns 0. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.